Hi students, again I came here in front of you with taking a video for class 8 of chapter 2 exponent. This is the third part of the video. In second part of the video we discussed some problems related to exponent. Now in this video we will discuss about the number in a standard form. That means a number in a standard form. When a number is said to be in a standard form, any number, a big number is written, you can write it in a standard form. So in this chapter we will discuss here a standard form of a number. A standard form of number, that means when a number is written in the form of m into 10 to the power m. That means in this form where n is positive or negative integer. That means its value be positive or negative integer, and m be greater equal 1, m be greater equal 1 and less than 10. That means value of m be always equal or greater than 1. That means suppose here a number is written 5 into 10 to the power 8. Here a number is written, that means its original form be 5 and 0 0 0 0, so 8 zeros, 3 4 5 6 7 8. Its value is 8, but this number is in a standard form. It's not in a standard form. So the method to write this number into that is known as a standard form. So here its value be less than 10 and equal to 1 or greater than 1. That means it can be a decimal number. Value of m be a decimal number. Now we will discuss here some questions, some numbers, and have to write in a standard form. Here I write 5 8 4 6 2 9 3 4 0 0 0 0 0 0. Here a big number is written. You can write it in a standard form. That means its value be large. So you use a point here. That means here after that how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. After 5, 13 digits. So it can be written here 5.8462934. Here all its are digits and these are 0. You know the value of 0 is not written in a decimal number. 5.8462934 into 10 to the power, here point is written. That means after the point how many numbers, how many digits? 13. So its power be 13. That means where point be, suppose its point be here, because point after point no value of 0. So point B come from here to that point. When the point comes from right to left, here right and here left. Right to left, its power be positive. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 digit comes, so its power be 13. Here another question, 2.230000000000. Also it's a very big number. It can be written in a standard form and it will be short. How can it be written? Here you can give the point where after 2, that means its value be 2.3. 2.3, here 2.3 into 10 to the power. How many powers? So count after point. Here you give point, that means point and number of digits after point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So its power be 11. Understand? Again, here power events. Now know how the points when come right to left, we do the power. Here an example, 2, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. According to explanation, you can write it in a standard form in standard form. Here number be 2.4. That means if point be here, because in the given number it is not a decimal number, but you can suppose point is here, because after the point the no value of 0. So if point be here, the point comes from here, this place, after 4. That means point comes from right to left. Right to left. When point comes right to left, the power be positive and that place, that the number how many times it come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. In this question, it is written in a standard form as 2.4 into 10 to the power 11. Here understand how I write the power in positive in this case. Suppose a simple question, 243,000. You can write it as 243,000 divided by 1,0,0,0,0 and multiply 1,0,0,0,0. After dividing and multiplying by same number, the value of any number can't be changed, and you can write it here. This value will be written 2.43. 2.43. Suppose this point we cancel. 2.43 into, and this part is written 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 to the power 5. Understand? So by this rule, you can take the power positive when point comes from right to left. Its opposite, when a number is written 0.00000000832, here you have to place the point from here to here. That means when point comes in this question left to right, and in this case power be negative, so it will written in a standard form 8.32, and point goes how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 into 10 to the power 10 minus 10, not 10. Here power will be minus 10. In short example, you understand how it will be written power negative. Here I write a small number 0.0035. Here you can apply this rule. You can divide and multiply by same number. Here you multiply 0.0035 into 1000. Then you have to divide the number into 1 by 1000. You have to divide 1000. If you multiply this number by 1000, point will be there. If you multiply it, that means 3.5. And for this you can write the power 10 to the power here minus 3, because it is in denominator, 10 to the power minus 3. So when you have to do point left to right, then you have to give the power negative as it, and when the point comes from right to left, then you give the power in positive. Students, now I write here some questions that is solved by you, and you try to solve this question. Write the following numbers in a standard form. You have to complete this homework as I explained the chapter. Now I am discussing here a very important questions that is given in R.S. Agarwal book, example number 4. In this question, here the distance between Sun and Earth is 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter, and the distance between the Earth and Moon, is itna. During solar eclipse, Moon comes in between between Earth and Sun. At that time, what is the distance between Moon and Sun? You know, in solar eclipse, Moon comes between the Earth and Sun, and here given. So suppose here first given the distance between Sun and Earth. Here Sun, Moon and Earth. This is the situation of eclipse, solar eclipse. Here given the distance between Sun and Earth. Distance between Sun and Earth is here, and distance between Moon and Earth and Moon is here. That means you have to find the distance between Sun and Moon. You have to find this distance from Sun to here distance. This distance will be find from subtract the distance between sun and earth and moon and earth. So required distance is 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 minus 3.84 into 10 to the power 8. Here we will know the subtraction and addition method for exponential number in written in a standard form. So first of all, we have to change the power 11 into power 8 or power 8 into 11, but it is very simple to change the power 11 into 8. How can you change? Here in previous I discussed, when the point goes left to right and how many digits, then power be decrease. Then here point comes from here to here, then I write here 1496 into 10 to the power, here power with 3 digits, so number 3 is minus, that means 8. You can write it, itna 1496 into 10 to the power 8, it will be written. Now minus 3.84 into 10 to the power 8. After that you take common 10 to the power 8 and subtract this number. That means 1496 minus 3.84 into 10 to the power 8, and its subtraction will very easy, is equal to 6 1.2941 into 10 to the power 8. This is your answer, and here you can also change the number in a standard form like 1.49216 into 10 to the power 11. Why power will be 11? Because point comes from 3 digit left, right to left, so 3 a power increase, so it's your answer or it. Students, this chapter is completed here. Now I hope you all will complete your exercise of a standard form of a number. So it is the last part. In first part of exponent, you have learnt about what is exponent, rules related to exponent, and in this video you have to learn how I write a number in a standard form. So after that you have completed your exercise. Now if any problem, then contact me. That's all. Thank you.